Welcome to the Weekly AI Digest by IT Voice, your weekly dose of AI news and trends. I'm your host Avishka Thadani and we've got some exciting stories to dive into today. So let's get started. First up, Paytm is setting up its AI Gate. The digital payments giant is partnering with US-based AI startup Perplexity to integrate an AI-powered search feature into its app. This will allow users to ask questions, explore topics in their local languages, and make better financial decisions. Founder Vijay Shekhar Sharma believes AI is transforming how people access information, making financial services more seamless and accessible. Perplexity's CEO Aravind Srinivas calls it a game changer for millions of Indian users, ensuring real-time, trusted answers at their fingertips. Paytm, known for innovations like QR payments and Soundbox, is now betting big game on AI. With this new features, users can expect smarter search capabilities and AI-driven insights, making everyday financial decisions more easy. The feature will roll out soon, bringing a new level of convenience to the app. AI is the future, but do we have the talent to make most out of it? A new LinkedIn report reveals that while 98% of Indian business leaders are prioritizing AI adoption in 2025, companies are struggling to find skilled professionals. The biggest challenge? A mismatch between job requirements and available candidates. More than half of recruiters say they receive too many applications from unqualified candidates with major gaps in technical skills like AI, software development, and even soft skills like communication. HR professionals are now being more selective, considering only those who meet 80% or more of job qualifications. Ruchi Anand from LinkedIn warned that companies investing in AI tools without the right talent could be missing out on a major opportunity. Amazon just got a major AI upgrade. Amazon has officially launched its AI-powered Alexa, designed to be more conversational and intelligent. Competing with ChatGPT and Gemini AI, this new version can do more than just answer your questions. It can place grocery orders, send invites, and even plan your travel. Amazon is rolling out a premium tier, Alexa AI Plus, at $19.99 per month, but Prime members, they get it for free. The company is also improving Alexa's smart home capabilities, allowing it to track movements via cameras, provide real-time updates. By integrating generative AI, Amazon is positioning Alexa as a major proactive virtual assistant. However, launching a paid model from the start is a bold move. Will users be willing to pay for an upgraded AI experience? That remains to be seen. For now, Alexa is gearing up to compete with the best in AI games. Before we jump back into the mind-blowing world of AI, let me know if you're enjoying this video with a big thumbs up. Smash the subscribe button and stay on top of all tech things. Here's why you should subscribe. IT Voice is your one-stop shop for the latest tech news. We cover everything from pioneering AI advancement to the hottest startups changing the game. We deliver fresh, in-depth content, stay ahead of the curve, and understand how tech is shaping our digital world. Hit that subscribe button and join the ITOS community today. Moving ahead, Microsoft CEO Satya Nadella is celebrating AI's role in transforming agriculture in India. In a recent post, he highlighted how small-scale sugarcane farmers in Maharashtra are using AI to boost crop yields, reduce chemical use, and optimize water consumption. A video shared by Nadella showcased a farmer from Battis Shirala who saw a significant improvement in his harvest and thanks to AI-driven insights. Even Elon Musk responded saying AI will improve everything. Microsoft has been working with the Agricultural Development Trust in Baramati since 2022, integrating AI, geospatial data, and satellite imaging to support sustainable farming. Nadella called it a phenomenal example of how AI can make real difference in people's lives. While Microsoft is pushing AI advancement, Nadella has also admitted that the company underestimated the power of search, a market Google dominated. He sees AI as the next big tech revolution, and this time, Microsoft is making sure it stays ahead of the curve. Last but not the least, as AI adoption grows, so do concerns around bias, privacy, and security. To tackle these issues, Infosys has launched an open-source responsible AI toolkit designed to help businesses detect and prevent AI-related risks. Part of the Infosys Topaz Responsible AI suite, the toolkit ensures AI remains safe and ethical. It helps companies address threats like deepfakes, biased algorithms, and harmful content while maintaining transparency in AI-generated decisions. Abhishek Singh from Methi praised the initiative, calling it a game changer for startups and AI development. Infosys EVP Balakrishna DR emphasized that responsible AI is no longer optional. It is essential for businesses to remain resilient and trustworthy. The best part, the toolkit is open source, making it flexible and easy to integrate into different AI systems. If you found this video interesting, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tech updates. We would love to hear your thoughts on these developments, so drop a comment below. Stay curious, stay informed, and we'll see you next time on IT Voice.